Hi, welcome back to COVID cooking, home cooking during the lockdown. Okay, because of so many of you asking for nasi goreng recipe, so here we are. Now I'm cooking nasi goreng ayam or chicken nasi goreng. You might asking why I cooking so much chicken in my dishes, because that's the easiest to find at the moment during this lockdown. So you can use seafood if you able to get it, or pork, or anything. So, or a vegetarian, but this is a nasi goreng ayam. To do nasi goreng ayam, to make a nasi goreng, first thing you need is rice, cooked rice. Okay, and then chicken, of course, and then a flat omelette, break out into pieces, and then the vegetable. If you come here, you got green beans, leeks, that's baby leeks, carrot, cabbage, red chili, the large one. If you haven't got large chili like this, you can substitute with red pepper, and then Chinese green, and we got garlic here, shallot, tomato ketchup or tomato paste if you want, sweet soy sauce. You can substitute with honey or brown sugar, cooking oil, salt, peppers, which is black and white, and then oyster sauce. And this one is sesame oil and dark soy sauce. So that's all the ingredient for making a good nasi goreng. Okay, the chicken nasi goreng or nasi goreng ayam, I don't know this. You can use a plain chicken, just chopped up into plain nasi goreng, but I prefer doing it with a little bit of barbecue chicken. So makeshift barbecue sauce is dark soy sauce, sweet soy sauce, or honey or brown sugar, or molasses. You can use molasses, and tomato ketchup. So that's the ingredient for my barbecue chicken. Okay, into the chicken, this is about 200 chicken meat in there. It's a leg. So you need about 2 tablespoons of dark soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of sweet soy sauce or molasses, or whatever you have it. You can substitute with honey, anything, and then about 1 tablespoon of tomato ketchup. So just give a good mix. So this is need to be marinated probably about 25 minutes to half an hour. That should be enough. Okay, this is already about 25 minutes ready to cook. What you need is a low heat pan with enough oil. That's about 200 ml oil in it, yeah, on a low heat. So you need to cook this slowly. Okay, this is about 3 minutes into the cooking, 3 to 4 minutes, and then you're ready to take them out. Give it a rest a little bit. Okay, so take this out, and then we cook it again later on for a couple more minutes. Okay, after the chicken resting for at least 5 minutes or 10 minutes, and then we cook it back again. Yeah, cook it back. So if there's a uncooked chicken, you just give it a slit in there, so they open up, and it will be cooked thoroughly until the inside. Look at that. Look at the color. It's golden brown in there. Yep. Okay, if you look at this, look at that. That's enough, yeah? You don't want to cook more than that. Yeah, that's enough. Turn the fire off and then strain them. There you go. And then it's ready. In a moment it will be ready to go into the nasi goreng. Stop. The barbecue chicken, like that, beautiful color. You just cut them off like that. You don't want to be too small. You want the chicken nice, you know, nice bite in it. Like that. Barbecue chicken, smell gorgeous. And you can do it at home without the barbecue sauce. You have to make barbecue sauce with minimum ingredient, but with a full flavor. Okay, that's it. So we are now ready to cook the nasi goreng. Hi. In order for me to keep going making coffee cooking video series, please subscribe and don't forget to press the notification button, so if there is a new video you will get notified. Thank you. Okay, all the ingredients ready. Satay ready, prawn crackers ready, barbecue chicken ready, egg omelette ready, and the vegetable ready, rice ready. So basically now just put all together. Here you are, big wok or pan, and medium heat, about 1, 2, 3, 4 dessert spoon cooking oil goes in there. The shallot goes in first, yeah. So remember, if you have no shallot, you can use Spanish onion or any onion. So salad onion will do nicely as well, give a different color. So there we go. Let's start cooking nicely, or this softening up. When it's about that soft, probably about 10 seconds, and then add the garlic. Remember, this is for 2 persons. Okay, next, when it's already soft, add the carrots. There we are. Saute the carrots until slightly soft. You don't want to be too soft. You want to be crunch in a little bit. Okay. After the carrots, beans. Remember, all this vegetable is up to you, really. This is what I can gather. So if you don't have any of the ingredients, it doesn't matter. You still can make a nasi goreng. You still make nice nasi goreng. Okay, and then it's the rest of the vegetable. So baby leeks, carrots, Chinese green, cabbage, it all goes in there. Okay, and this saute for a few seconds. Okay, you're looking at this vegetable, and you can see it's already slightly softened. Okay? So, and then put this aside. Keep it like that aside. Then now the time to add the rice. So there we go. That's about 250 gram or 300 gram rice. Give it a good mix. Okay, when it's already mixed nicely, thoroughly, and then you want to put this aside again, keep this aside and turn the fire off for time being. So you need to be like that, tilted a little bit, because we need to add the sauces now. Okay, goes in 2.5 dessert spoon soy sauce, 1 dessert spoon sweet soy sauce. Okay, and then after that goes in 1 dessert spoon of oyster sauce. So you can, if you don't have oyster sauce, you don't have to add oyster sauce. So simple as that. About a teaspoon of sesame oil, and then turn the fire on. You see, so you're cooking the sauce in there without the rice. So I want the nuttiness, the toasty smell and flavor coming out. And then when it's already done like that, put it back, and then we mix with the rice. After that goes in the barbecue chicken and the egg omelette. So this is the guideline. Okay, give it another toss, and now your nasi goreng is ready. Turn the heat off. Okay, the nasi goreng ready, everything ready. Now it's time to eat. Okay. Put nasi goreng into a bowl, a small bowl, or if you really need to do it. But if you you don't have to do it, you know, just put it on the plate. But I like it slightly look a little bit professional, even though you're cooking at home. So I haven't got a bowl, so I use a cup. So it's the same things. So just put it in there, press it down like so till really tight, and then here you go, put it right in the middle of the plate, take it off, voila, kerupuk udang or prawn crackers. Here we are. It's a bit too big, and the smaller one, look at that. Okay, next, the satay, chicken satay. A little bit of sauce on the top of that. Look at that. And then you need to add a little bit more of the barbecue chicken on the top, because you got plenty in there, and a full flavor, like so. Last is the spring onion. So you add the spring onion in there a little bit, just to cut the flavor, you know, because barbecue, all this flavor is very, very strong. So the fresh spring onion will cut all this flavor and then make it balanced. Okay, here my version of nasi goreng with barbecue chicken and chicken satay done. Simple as that.